Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Tania and thank you for stopping in. Make sure to hit subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. For those you guys who have already subscribed to my channel, it's so nice to see you guys and thank you for supporting my channel. Today I'm actually filming my very first Cartier unboxing video. I'm the first time customer at Cartier and I'm so excited. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So for those you guys who are planning to shop at the store, you have to book an appointment and be on time. So once you are inside of the store, you are assigned to a personal assistant, like a sales associate, and she will walk you through every single piece of jewelry you have your eye on. So it's more like personal experience, it's more private. There are not too many people inside, there is nobody behind your back. The appointment is usually booked for 30 minutes. But they're gonna spend as much time with you as you need it. We've spent about an hour and a half altogether. Yeah, my husband was actually pretty tired and he was in a hurry, he had another appointment. Yeah, so we had enough, you know. But anyways, it was a nice experience. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. So the first thing you see is the proof of payment. It looks like so. So there is a receipt inside and also there is a sales associate card inside of the proof of payment folder. Also, there is a cleaning solution with a piece of cloth inside of this small box. And of course, it has this certificate. The jewelry box comes in this white wrapping paper. And then there is one more box. Alright, so this is Love Ring, 18K yellow gold, set with 3 diamonds, total weight of 0.22 carats. The width of the ring is 5.5 millimeters. So each diamond is like 0.07K. Yeah, so this is one diamond, then no diamond, another, and no diamonds. Yeah, so you can wear like this, facing with one diamond, or maybe you can wear like this, so your little diamonds will be a little bit on the sides. I think it's a nice addition to my jewelry collection, and now my right hand looks complete. It definitely goes with my Tiffany T bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.